I think the reason of financial struggle, according to me, because we think that there's only two ways of generating finance: job and business.
Mhm.
One, either you become engineer, doctor, or you do some kind of job, or you become an entrepreneur. Not necessary. It's like if you keep that knowledge aside, since childhood we have heard knowledge, job and business. If you keep that aside for a moment,
Mm.
I think there are lots of other ways of also making money, enough money which is required for life.
Yeah,
But we are
yeah,
so conditioned only for job, only for business,
yeah,
and because everyone is looking for job, everyone is looking for business. That area
yeah,
is highly saturated.
yeah. And the
Otherwise,
people I see, they are doing very well. You know, the technologically, they are so advanced. They can't even speak. Some of them can't speak proper English, but they are so good at technology. They know how to make videos and whatnot. They are on
yeah,
YouTube.
yeah. No,
I
I
really,
was in
I.
I was in mountains just few days ago, and I met a girl called Vishakha. And the way she's meeting people, the way she's talking with people, I had a good interaction with her. And suddenly, towards the end of the interaction, or towards the end of that conversation, she said, "Praveen, do you believe in physical interaction?" I said, "What do you mean by that?" She said, "I want to give you a hug." And she gave me a hug. And I said, the way she's, I was observing that girl, hardly 24, 25 years old,
Yeah.
and staying there in that hotel, or no, that's a hostel where the community stay, not like a 5 star or 3 star hotel, where the communities and people stay in the
Mhm,
dome, and they eat
mhm,
together, they stay together in that kind of settings. And what kind of lifestyle she has, amazing. Is like living the life which many people have seen in movies, or many people want to live. And then, out of curiosity, I asked her that how you earn money for all this, because we need money to live. And she said, I was in Mexico, or that part of the world, for many years. So I learned Spanish. So I teach Spanish online. So I
mhm,
just take Spanish classes online and I teach. I'm
mhm,
a certified Spanish teacher. I have a laptop.
mhm,
Doesn't matter where I am. I have online, internet. And I
mhm,
take sessions and I teach people. And I'm earning enough, which is required for me to live here in mountains. I'm living my life. I'm meeting people.
mhm.
I'm meeting good people, learning from them, bad people, learning from them also, and I'm living my life.
Yeah,
Now, this is so different from that typical 9 to 5 job, isn't it?
yeah.
No, but we are conditioned for that 9 to 5 job. So, moment you come out from this, and when
Yeah.
parents have to understand, and we was living in the same dome, there were ten beds in the same dome, and I was sleeping early in the morning, and I saw that she was speaking to her dad and mom, with
Mhm.
her parents on laptop, maybe on Zoom, and the way she was speaking is like, oh my god, dad, 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 mom, 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 arey, no, mama, as if she's there. She's there with
Yeah,
them.
with them.
She spoke almost for 1 hour.
Uh,
It's like sometimes kids struggle to speak with their mother for 2 minutes. Right? She spoke
yes,
1 hour and she's speaking as if she is interacting with them.
yeah.
So just because she's not staying with her, that doesn't mean that she's not respecting parents or not loving them.
Mhm.
And from parents' side also, I think they have the best thing which parents can do with their kids is to leave them.
Yeah,
Is to just leave them alone,
yeah.
and let them do
Give
what they
them
want to
some,
do.
give them some freedom.
Give them some freedom. I think so.
They
I think
can spread their wings, otherwise they'll be just trapped in.
this grabs absolutely. So I think that kind of understanding between parents and
Mm,
kids both required if you really want to come off from this financial or the job or business. I
yeah,
think one has to live life, not
yeah.
to do job and business. Okay.